The housing market in Turkey is facing difficulties. Unstable currency, natural disasters, and a negative global economy are affecting the industry. What will happen in 2024? Let's find out. Recently, property sales have been going down in Turkey. You might think that prices would drop too with less demand, but it's not that simple. Nazmi Durbakayım, the head of the Istanbul Builders Association, said that there's an exceptional period in Turkey's construction market. Before, when construction was strong and demand decreased, prices fell. But now, many firms exited the market, construction slowed down, and even though demand reduced, prices haven't gone down. In reality, the remaining companies adapted to costs, and this led prices to increase. Experts predict that property prices in Turkey will keep going up in 2024 due to two main reasons. First, construction costs have skyrocketed. In 2021, they increased by 150%, and over the following year, they surged by more than 170%. Concrete and cement prices have also risen significantly during 2023. Second, labor costs have gone up as well. The Turkish president has increased the minimum wage by 34%, and over the last 18 months, minimum wage rates have surged by 169%. Construction has slowed down. The number of building permits issued in 2022 was almost half of those issued in 2021, and this trend persisted in 2023. Several construction firms have shifted focus to government projects aimed at reconstructing housing in the southeast after a colossal earthquake. This means there will be even less real estate available as per expectations. Furthermore, property prices continue to surge, primarily in major urban centers and famous vacation spots. Ankara's land prices have risen by 92% in the past year, the highest increase among Turkish cities. Antalya ranks second with an 80% rise, while Bursa and Izmir share third place with a growth of 74%. Although the situation is challenging, investing in Turkish property remains a lucrative option. Paradoxically, for those considering purchasing Turkish real estate, it's advisable to act quickly. TURK Estate can help make your dream of living by the sea a reality.